Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC in terminal UI mode using ext4 on an SSD drive. So now I'm powering on my Dell R630 through my iDRAC. And I'll go to F11 for the boot menu. And so in here I choose my one-shot EFI boot. And I'll choose the USB stick in the back of the server, which contains Proxmox. And we'll choose the terminal UI mode. And this is very text-based. I choose I agree. As you can see here, I have 4 SAS drives of 1.1 terabyte, more or less. I have in the front also an SSD drive in Tenso. I have an internal USB stick, which is 120 gigabytes. And I have a flash drive in the back as well. For speed, I'll choose my SSD drive, and I have advanced options as well. For now, I'll leave ext4. As you can see in the advanced options, you can change the file system. For now, I'll leave it to ext4. The next options are the total disk size. I'll leave it at the max size. Next we have the swap size, which I leave by default. Then we have the maximum root volume size, the maximum data volume size, and the minimum free LVM space. I also leave them default. And I choose next. I choose my country. I leave the time zone. And since I want an AZT keyboard and the closest thing that I found, I choose Dutch. And the next step, I enter a password. And I enter the email address. And I choose next. And here in network settings, he already found through DHCP the IP address assigned to this machine, which is 192.168.194.180. He pre-filled the DNS and he just entered hostname PVE, but his server is luxdel1. And if we also go into networking devices, currently there's only one network device enabled, but I have 4. I choose next. I get a little overview, and the install continues. And the install is finished, and he will be rebooting. And now he's rebooting. And he's starting up Proxmox. And Proxmox is running. And I can reach it. I have a certificate issue, of course. I accept. I enter the password, and I have a running Proxmox. If you guys enjoy this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.